here I will say the increase of overpopulation between the years 1900 and the present year. In the 1900 it was a population of 1.6 billions compared to our population of today of 7 billions. It was a total increase of 5.6 billions in only 100 years. Here in the overpopulation I describe what overpopulation is, only its definition so you can do better. Okay, here I will explain how is this caused, the overpopulation, how is it caused, and why is it caused, and yeah, why. Okay, here's some images. This graph shows how the population grow about all the since too much years ago. In this question, this explain how can the scientists approximate the population with mathematical models. So they use formulas to know how much the population growth or less down or lower down. So here with these variables we can know with the formula. And this question means how Spain and Panama change this population. With this graph we know how Panama grow a lot and also Spain. We can see that these two countries change a lot of his population. Okay, here in this graph I will explain with this data and this graph how the population has increased individually by the years. Okay, here you can see the years clearly and how it was inputted into the graph. Here I explain how it was caused, and here like you can see in this text it explains everything. Now with this graph or this table, in the first question we pass those data to scientific notation, because in scientific notation we can express the bigger numbers to a small ones. So with scientific notation we can make it easier to graph. Okay, here in the third question we retrieved all the years from this graph. Okay, next with this we can know the variation between the years of the overpopulation, so we can know how many it increases or decreases. Here we explain how is this graph. This graph is a potential line graph which shows a positive correlation between the years and the population, x being years and y being population. Here we use the linear equation model to make a formula to express the rising of population around the world. So here with this formula we use to determine how much the population growth in the world.